Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by opening Word and choosing either a blank document or a simple resume template. Pick blank when you want total control. Next, set the page size to 8, 5 by 11 and apply 1 margins so printers won't cut content. Then create a clear header with your name, phone, email, and LinkedIn link. This organizes contact info for ATS and humans alike. Once done, save as a working docx file and back it up to avoid losing changes. You now build out sections using Word's built-in heading styles, so navigation and consistency are automatic. For readability, use one font family with 1112 PT for body text and 1416 PT for your name or title. Consistency helps both ATS parsing and recruiter scanning. Add experience, education, and skills in reverse chronological order, and format each job with bold titles and concise bullet lists of achievements. Once formatted, use spacing and tabs, not manual. You finish by proofreading and converting achievements into quantified results. Remove pronouns so bullets start with strong verbs and numbers that show impact. Then save your master as docx and export a PDF for applications where formatting must remain fixed. If the layout shifts when a recruiter opens the file, make sure styles are standardized. If problems persist, copy content into a fresh blank document, reapply styles, and resave. That reset fixes hidden formatting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.